With Mios and the Kwikset Z-Wave lock, you can wirelessly lock and unlock any door in your house, set up PIN codes for your friends and family, and keep tabs on when your doors are being opened. To pair your Kwikset lock with Mios, first follow the instructions for including devices on your Mios platform. Next, press the button in the top left of your lock and wait for Mios to securely include the device in your Z-Wave network. To add a PIN code to your lock, open up your Mios web interface. Click Dashboard. Click the wrench icon on your lock. Click the PIN codes tab. Name and enter your PIN code. And click Set. Now, just wait for Mios to configure the lock with your new PIN code. To see the events that Mios has recorded for your lock, click the Logs tab. You'll see a list of entered PIN codes and when your lock was opened and closed.